Good morning, Globe. Hello, how are you? This is Carrie Glenn, your Periscope queen, giving you some excellent tips for today. We have Jilley Sue in the house. Oh my gosh, love this woman. Oh, we have Tara Renee Sarge. Hello, everybody. Welcome. Some hearts going up. I love the hearts. They keep me happy. Look, your hearts match my flowers. We have a howdy to you. Good morning. Etla is joining. Hi. Well, hi back. Hi to you. Hello, Team SLY1. Chocolate Johnny. Oh my God. So Chocolate Johnny's in the house. Okay, we have Jilley Sue and Chocolate Johnny. This is a duo. Good day to you, mate. This is a duo that is so exciting. Thank you. Oh my gosh. You just made my day. So yeah, if you don't know Jilley Sue and Chocolate Johnny, you will hopefully by the end of this broadcast. One thing I really encourage, first of all, I want you to notice my hands. Because our framing today, yep, oh, I love you too. Jilley and Johnny, LOL. Right? So I want you to notice that I have my hands like this, there's one thing I want you to notice. We're talking about framing today. We're talking about framing your broadcasts. And that's actually pretty important. If you'll notice, right here, we have the camera about right here. And I'm standing today because I'm going to be moving this around for your benefit. But I'm going to show you okay, here we go. I'm going to show you 3 frames that will get you started on your journey to having not just the greatest broadcast that you can do, but where is the camera? The camera is about 2 feet away. Oh, thank you. That's sweet. It's about 2 feet away from my face. Notice this. It's level. I have it level with my face. I'm not up like this where and I have some light shining on my glasses, so that kind of determines my height. But it's level to my face. I'm not looking down like we do when we're on the go. And I'm not trying to look up. I'm just kind of level. And again, it's about maybe 18 inches from my face. So a good trick. Yes, level. Yeah, it is. Jilley Sue. I know, right? She hates the nostril look. Okay, I'm not going to do that. So the important thing to remember is just something. I just totally lost it. Love it. This is what I love about this show, this platform. Just love it. Oh, thank you. Well, I think Jilley Sue's the funny one. And oh, you should see when Chocolate Johnny gets started. Okay, hello, hi, hello, yours. I'm trying to read these as quickly as I can, and I have more hearts. Thank you so much. Okay, so talk about the framing. There's 3 frames. Here we go. Yeah, that's right. 3 frames that you want to know. You want to know about the close-up. Okay, Carrie must concentrate. You want to know about the close-up. You want to know about the mid shot, and then you want to know about the full shot. And these are just 3 little nuggets to put into your pocket so that when you're thinking about it, you'll have that to go with. So you'll notice my hands are like this because this is a close-up. So let's just do this really quickly. This is the close-up. Of course, you could have it to here if you wanted to, but I don't really want to. But that's your close-up. And then we're going to scoot this back just a bit. All right. Now, notice the lighting too. The lighting changes. So as I back up, this would be like a mid-shot. So it's kind of waist up. That's the mid shot. And I can tilt my camera just a little bit or bring it down just a little bit for that mid shot because as I back up, you can see I'm not taking up as much of the frame. So see how much space there is above me. And then this one, the full shot, and I'm going to get this as back as I can, and you're going to see bare toes. Okay, so here we have, hello, a full shot right here. Hello, hello, hello. And actually, you may want to use this for some of your filming. And again, you'll notice how low I am and how you can see so much of the ceiling. So when I do that, I can lower it a little. And then I can back up and say, okay guys, I'm climbing a mountain. Say I'm climbing a mountain. I want you to see the whole thing. So you can see how that just changes. Notice my arms and my movements now also. I know you can see my whole body. So when I'm talking to you and I'm using my hand motions, I can be free to use the hand motions. However, Pacific Grove, oh, he did? Oh, I love Pacific Grove. Who is he? Maybe I know him. For the mid shot, I know I can use my hands a little bit. I can, think about things. I know if I raise my hands like this, you're not going to see them. So I'd be like, yes, yes. I wouldn't be like, yes. So you have to think about your shot and your hand movements. That's why framing is important. That's why we're talking about it today, because how you frame yourself, that's how you want to use your body. All right? So, you live in Seaside? Awesome. We should go have coffee. Woohoo! We have Seaside in the house. Seaside's a little town not too far away that is, a 10-minute drive if you have traffic, maybe 12. Yeah. Okay, so here I am back at the close-up, and now you'll notice if I talk to you, I'm bringing my hands into my center. I'm thinking of the center of my chest. So if I wanted to make a point, yay, we got some followers. Make sure you also follow each other. If someone makes a comment that you think is really cool, Periscope on your computer. I have not figured out how to master that yet. And when I do, you'll be the first to know. I've got to, that's the one question that I'm researching as we speak. So it's high on my priority list to figure that portion of it out, because maybe Jilley soon knows. She's been using it a little bit longer. Yeah, who are all these web viewers? Aren't they awesome? Yeah, oh, the web viewers. I thought you meant, yeah, okay, got it. Woohoo! Yeah, that's my goal to find out. And Monday's broadcast, that's going to be our subject. Wednesday's broadcast, oh wait, that's for something else. Never mind. Awesome. So yeah, so again, here we are on a close-up, and your frame, you want it to be level. So mine's a little bit down. I'm going to bring it up a little bit. There, now we're level. And that way I can kind of back up a little bit too. So when I'm going to use any hand motions, they're going to be here. Hey from Paris. We have Paris in the house. Yay! So one thing you want to practice is, you don't have to practice this on Periscope. You can actually use your video camera on your phone. Flip it around so you can see yourself, and practice how far apart you want to place your camera. And you can put it like this and have this close-up, and you can wave and you can talk and you say, ooh, yeah, well, that tastes good. Whatever your blog is about or your scope is about. And then we can, now keep in mind, when I back this up a little bit, I can't really read your comments as well, and this is nice too, because, but look at the angle or the lighting. Lighting completely changes. So I know we haven't really talked about lighting a whole lot yet, but you want to go with the best lighting that you can go with. So I'm going to bring this back to the lighting that I have it set up for, which is this close-up. And even that's a little bit bright, but it's better than not seeing me at all. Okay, so you remember we have missed the beginning. Are you using a GorillaPod or other tripod? Let me show you my tripod, because I don't even remember where I got it. Okay, I'm going to tap the screen. Okay, so this is my tripod. Let me give it some love here. I'm going to put it against this window that has the background. This is it. I don't even know what brand it is. I have a regular tripod, but this one is just so easy because this clip here, that's a great distance with hands. Closer up, the camera is going to back and forth, focusing on your hands and face. Right. So here, see how that opens up like that? I just throw this in. Bam. And I make sure it's level. There I am again. So that's this, the regular tripods are fun, but I want to find a way to body cam so I can walk around and Periscope. I know, right? What we need is, just something for our hip, a hip holster that comes out and follows along with us. It's funny because in the film industry we have dollies. Oh, Jody has one. Woo, Jody has one. All right, that's excellent. So maybe Jody can tell us how to get it. Yeah, so you can, oh, Joe B. Oh, I need to get one, right. So yeah, in the film industry, they have dollies that will roll along with you as you talk, and you don't even tell that it's going. But here, no. I mean, I can hold it, and then actually carrying it around with it on the tripod actually does make it a little steadier than in my hand. Got some hearts. Hearts for holding the camera. Yeah, it's tough business. Okay, excellent. So those are my tips for today. Anybody have any questions? Framing questions or any other questions? Remember, when I do, I'm going to zip lining. Ooh, zip lining. How awesome would it be? Oh, please do zip line. Everybody follow Unique. Oh my gosh, it's fading. So we can watch them zip line. That would be amazing. I wonder when they're going to figure out a way to, I don't know what you are doing. Ziplining? Yeah, I've never ziplined. How old is your house? You know, thank you. Yeah, the house is pretty old. It's 1812, I think, is the beginning. Sounds dangerous for your phone, I know, right? Yeah, you're going to have to put it in an honor box. Hello, just got on. Welcome. So we're giving tips for framing, and we're wrapping up right now. And but I'll put them out there really quickly. There's 3 frames. So write this down if you want. There's 3 frames to have. Boop. You want to have it like this would be, this would be your close-up. You could even get a little bit closer if you want. Close-ups are about from your chest up, so you really can get as intimate as you want with the camera. And again, the mid shot is here. And remember, the hands, I can do things differently with the mid shot. And rule of thirds, right? So rule of thirds, okay, hold on. Let's just finish this up. And then we have the full shot. And normally with a full shot, I would drop it down, but since we're wrapping up right now, and with that full shot, look, I can use my whole, I can gesture. How could you? What? No way, I don't believe it. You know, I can do that. Where here, you know, I would make it closer and tighter, and then even tighter. Oh, how could you? You know, it's things like that that just make your broadcast get a little extra touch. And find me on Facebook. We got someone on Facebook. Ooh, Fuentes Photography. So a great thing too is when you see someone who puts a note up like that and you like them, you can click on them right away and follow them. And you can also follow them on Twitter. And when you follow them on Twitter, you can connect up there and then move on to Facebook and other places. So, yeah, definitely do that if you want. Follow me on Twitter and ask more questions. I can answer them for you. Let's see. I think that's about it for today. Any questions? Got some hearts? Love to go out on a pile of hearts. Thank you. Oh, you're welcome. Thank you. Thank you for coming this morning. Love you all. If any of you are into etiquette, I do a etiquette little program at 8:30. So if any of you have any etiquette questions, like how to, you know, be nice to your mother-in-law, you can catch me on Etiquette at Hand. And that's my other Periscope handle. So I love you. Thank you so much. Thank you for the hearts. I love to go out with a rainbow of hearts. It just makes my day. I love you all. And any other questions? Yes, please. All right. I will see you soon, tomorrow at 8. And have a great day.